Hi, my dear Gemini. Welcome to your reading for January 2018 by Maya. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. First of all, I want to wish you all the best in the new 2018 year. I wish you wealth, health, happiness, success, love, and anything else you would wish yourself. So, welcome to your reading. Let's see what is going on in the month of January for you. For the first week, it looks like you have changes going on. You have 10 of Wands reversed. You was carrying burden for a long period of time and starting new year. It looks like you have enough and your burden is lifted. So you don't take much responsibility as you did before. You lessen the responsibility. Maybe you had enough of that everything. So sometimes setting boundaries give one more freedom. So you shouldn't take maybe more work than you can handle, or say yes for everything what somebody asks you for. Maybe it's time that you realize that and you're giving up that burden. So you're releasing the stuff and things are clearing up. For the second week, you have Justice card. The Justice card reversed as well. This is kind of judgment with unfair outcome. It may come with unfair outcome, but it may be sometimes paying for something that you have done in the past because of bad judgment and mistake that you made. And it may be as well that you refuse to take responsibility for your stuff, for your life, for your situation. So that would be the working on that area this week. It would be like clearing that area. Past, it's doing with past, working with past, with mistake that you made. There is some kind of clarification, justice, things going on. On the third week, we have Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is good card. And there is possibility for you of changing jobs with this card coming on. A new career adventure, new project or something like that. You're okay, you're doing your job very well, everything is going okay, it's going fine. So after those 2 weeks of kind of struggle and situation going on, you're going okay, you're doing okay. And the last week is again a reverse card with 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles is tells you about some kind of unfinished business, maybe from those weeks before that is still you're still hanging on the week 1 and 2. Uncompleted work and the harvest that is unripe. Like maybe you should. It's time for you to go back. To start again doing your stuff properly. In order to gain the rewards of your work, you have to go back in your garden and continue on working in the garden, continue in your house, continue working on your job, working with your kids, supporting your husband and yourself, your loved ones, your children, your family, working together and nurturing yourself as well. So enjoy your life and start back everything in order. So that's time for that, to start doing that. With those cards, I have Green Witch Tarot cards for each week to bring more light on situation. And for the first week, we have with this lifting up the burden. We have what is the card? 4 of Pentacles. Okay. We have 4 of Pentacles. This card is about financial security and saving money and playing safe in regards to money matter. You may get like, it's about secure job, secure income. In the love relationship is like stable, partnership, relationship. So this card tells you, instead of carrying too much burden and taking your time and energy, putting in something what is not working, what is too much, what is not like really fun and not natural, it's better to maybe sometimes to focus on what you already have give thanks for that what you have, appreciate what you have, put some time with your family and kids and your relationship, instead of just like getting few bucks more and getting like destroying your life and your energy, your well-being. So that is the energy of the first week. The second week, clarify, more light, is Ace of Wands, gives you more light for the Justice reverse. This is fire element. This is good energy as well. It's movement. It's getting things done. It tells you about new career start. So it about taking action, enthusiasm, being enthusiasm at work in the project. It's a powerful energy. This is new phase. And creativity, it's success in the work and success in life. So there is implementing some new stuff, working on giving new energy, putting into that old stuff, clearing the old stuff, whatever mistake you made in the past, and you can usually there is some way to try to work with that area, and then so this is good stuff, lightening up the new energy, new chariot. Ace of Wands, new fires is there. It's focusing on the good things and working with old. Knight of Pentacles is with Six of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is connected with maybe with your work, with this job, charity that you started, that was going well good. This involved some gifts, gains from extra effort, right? Generosity, maybe some donation, promotion, bonus, rewards, gifts, or something like that. You may receive or from somebody, or you may probably you may give somebody else in order to get flow out. So, and this is good stuff. It's opening for the success. So in the last week we have with Nine of Pentacles, kind of stagnation. We have Ace of Chalices with Ace of Water, Ace of Cups. So Ace of Water, we have positive change. It's within important relationships. It's about abundance and joy and unconditional love. It tells you that the spirit can guide you. You don't have to just work like hard, pulling away like load of things and stuff. Instead of that, think about your purpose in life. Think about your higher self. So this card tells you the spirit can guide you, and let its spirit guide you. Clarifier for the first week is Eight of Fire. With those two cards, we have Eight of Fire. Eight of Fire for the week one tells you about transformation. This is time of transformation. Leaving the burden, working on what you have, on your relationship, on your house, on your family, with your family, on appreciating that what you have, instead of like pulling out stuff inside and working on things what is going to be hard and not really worth. So it's transformation time. It's traveling to new territories. It may be traveling in regards to your spiritual area, to your mind, to working something else, maybe exploring something else, finding something new. It doesn't have to be physical travel, it may be any kind of travel. It's anyway transformation going on. In the second week we have with Justice and Wands. So we have Six of Water. And the Six of Water is it's time to heal to heal your old wounds. Healing time. So whatever you was like carrying before, it was for some reason. You didn't feel whole. You wasn't feel like really with yourself, even get some money, getting it was not the reason that you were doing that, only because of the money. There was some more things involved in that. And so it's about, this time is about healing your wounds, all wounds, and it tells you that you can feel secure today in presence of divine love. So let it be God, let it be love, let it be divine, let it be you. Find your purpose in life. Don't just carry all heavy burden with yourself, material stuff. Let God and let the love be there. So, and heal your old wounds. The third week with Pentacles, with Knight of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles, we have Four of Fire. And what this card tells us, clarifier for this third week, is Four of Fire. It's a harmony in relationship. It tells you to put your time more within your family, within your like friends and your neighbors, and it's collaboration, it's pleasure, it's harmony in relationship. So working on that, not just like isolate yourself and carry heavy burden. It tells you as well, this is kind of magical time, the things are transforming. It tells you that making magic with others is the focus at the time. So it changes, it's for good, things are getting better. Listen to yourself, listen to your spirit, let your higher self guide you instead of pulling yourself down. So in the last week we have with Nine of Pentacles and Ace of Chalice, we have Eight of Waters. Clarifies for last week is Eight of Waters, and it tells you this motto of this card is say, I will no longer hold on what is not right for me. So this card exactly tells you not to hold what is not right for you. You was carrying heavy burden because of some things what happened before in your life, or some kind of stuff what was like hard for you. It was like now it's time of healing, it's time of transformation, it's leaving that away and focusing on really you, on yourself, on your higher self, doing the work, appreciating what you have, working with your family, with your friends, and focusing on transformation. It's transformational time. It's no longer holding on what is not right for you. So that was telling you the last week, no longer holding on what is not right for you. The overall energy for whole month is Major Arcana card, Hierophant, number 5. Number 5. It tells you there is need to understand. It's not just like work and carry stuff and go on and like pull there. It's take time to understand what you're doing and why you're doing that. It's attention, focusing on that, what is going on, focusing on this energy and this week and things what was before, and focusing on the transformation. It's about diplomacy, not just working. It's like thinking. So strength is like not only in the physical. It's like it's mental as well. With less work, you can accomplish something than sometimes pulling all heavy load around. So it's about contact with higher power through spiritual practice. It tells you maybe to start working on some spiritual practice, whatever you have a religion or don't have a religion, to focus on that. Let God, let higher self, let be there. So and your higher self to work, contact your higher self, higher power through your spiritual practice, and work on that. And material stuff, those heavy load, let it go. So that was the reading for you for month of January 2018 by Maya. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, for sharing, for liking. If you didn't do that, do it. There is a link down below. And thank you. So I have an announcement that I made mistake last month in December, telling you I'm going to offer private reading, but for some reason, because of technical reason, I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm going to give you notice as soon as I'm going to be able to do. So for now, we're going to stay with this. Thank you for watching. See you next month. Bye for now.